Right, we're here in the Dracula Parrot Duel against Wren.85. Haha, there's a Franklin skull on the tray, that's hilarious. Well, as you can see, we're going second. And we're probably losing this game. Wren is an excellent player. Yeah. Franklin skull. Not much you can do about that. We just gotta hope that we've got some equally busted thing in our hand, like a kill there or something. White Stalk, any of the classic good things. But yeah, it's just could already just be a GG go next kind of game. We have Multoni. So that's something. We have a lot of bonus cards as well. Which is probably good. We have no card access though. This could just be a cormorant game. How do we do this? What's in here? One nectar. Ecologist for sure. This is tricky because I want to keep everything. I think Bellsverio is probably the least good card here. Is there a keep 5 angle? It kind of is. Keep 5 toss Bellsverio, take 2 food. Play Baltimore Oriole. With Multoni though, we want to be efficient. We just keep this then. I think we'd be greedy. I think we go greed. This gives us plenty of birds to play, and we don't have to do anything we don't really want to do. Oriole will help with Multoni. Yeah, I think we do this. We just have to hope that they can't find anything with Franklin. Probably have to take play food twice. Giving away food to Franklin Skull is very scary though, so we have to do it, but I don't like it. So if we do food twice, it gives us 4 turns left. That's Multoni, eggs, draw cards. White-back woodpecker. Well, we're gonna take food. I really want to let them have that. You know what, we just have to plow ahead. We just have to plow ahead. We don't have a choice. We win this game if we're able to get better tempo than our opponent. Oh, now all the nectar comes up. Okay. Okay, so 1, 2, 3, 4. I think we have enough time to do everything here. We just need something to play, which is the problem. I think we have to play the nuthatch, right? I don't think there's a choice, we just have to play the nuthatch, and if we have to play the nuthatch, then we have to do this. Neither of those are particularly interesting. We play Moltoni, then we play Nuthatch. History wins in the end of round though, which is... Could play this Merganser, honestly. I hate that. This might be a better option. Well, Oriole is at least a food source, right? Yeah, I think it's fine. That's the Merganser is acceptable. And this will help make our draw turns very efficient. Yeah, I'm on board with the Merganser. A big challenge is still finding an egg source, but Moltoni at least buys us enough time to do stuff. So I'm happy with that. And we're already looking good on EOR 3 as well, but EOR 4 is going to be hard. Spangled Drango. Okay. Alright, that was a very worthwhile play on the Merganser. Alright, that Pipit. Not the best bet in the world, but honestly, it's bonus cards. I will take it. Blythe Swanbill. I'm glad they don't have that. Dipper. Bird. I'm kind of happy they don't have any of these, but we have to figure out how we're gonna finagle this into something useful though. I think I might have to play the Hummingbird, which sounds counterproductive, but we might need to do it for a few reasons. That, or we can draw again. Because I think what I want to do is I want to play 1, 2, 3 birds. But the food cost is not great. But I might want to lay eggs twice in this round. If I want to do that, then maybe I want to play the hummingbird here. So I can pick up some food while taking eggs, and I think that might be worthwhile. The feeder's looking a bit healthier now, so... I think that's... Yeah, now we can take some useful food for a change. We should not take nectar right now. Now we have a decision to make. Do we want to play the hummingbird here or the hummingbird here? I think we want to play it here. Because I do think this next end of round, it's going to be a challenge. Well, I feel like I need to lay eggs twice here. Because we can win this end of round, but it's going to be tough if we have to keep playing birds. I think the dipper can go. I don't think we need you. Are they taking food? Oh no, they're using the kestrel. Okay. I'm fine with this. We will throw the dipper. Okay, brilliant. Get a seed. They might even take nectar here. That's a pretty juicy looking feeder. And we might just play this nuthatch and grab the fish. And then look at playing Sprague's Pipit. I took eggs, it's fine. Play this nuthatch. Winter feeder is not what I wanted to see. We'll take a seed nonetheless. I think maybe this is a cards eggs angle. Because if we can find like a kiwi or a booby or something, then this winter feeder can be useful. Or even a crane. I'll take a crane. Hawk, sparrow. No. Yes. I'll take that red start. I think there's still time to get you into the game. In fact, I would not even be mad if I forced it down. That would solve my food problem, and then I can just play birds that I want to play. Great Warbler. Yeah, well, unfortunately, we don't have any last minute surprises, but we will take... We still might... My Blightstorm build could be interesting, because even taking the Oriole, like, we could do a lot for this end of round. So I think the red start is suddenly probably the bird to play here. Like, I think we just need it. I think we just need to start getting some nectar. The good news is like this is not the strongest it's not the strongest forest I've ever seen in my life. Turtle doves come up, okay. That probably goes away. I am open to playing Blightsworn build to start. Like, do food, Blythe, food. Because then we can set ourselves up to take food once in the last turn. But yeah, still looking for something to get rid of this winter feeder problem. Red crown crane or anything like that would be fantastic. Okay, so that's gone. I think now is still a good time to take food. Well, now we have decisions to make. I guess now the hawk becomes interesting because what else do I do here? Very annoying. Yeah, all the nectar has gone away. Yeah, I think we want to queue up late Blythesong build. So how do we queue that? We want the feeder to be... We want to take food on our last turn so that we can grab nectar and not worry about the drongo. Alternatively, we just grab it now. I think we leave that for now. And just believe we can roll better later. Do we want Eleanor's Falcon? You're a decent cost, but we'll just see what we can find. Shrike. Are you better than Hawk? Maybe. Minor. I think I might be a bit late for that. Minor to copy the Gull. I mean, we're probably copying the... Yeah, probably copying something else, honestly. Cerulean, Carolina Wren. Not really the bird you want to play. You just take Eleanor. Probably. Okay, we were not punished. That's nice. They're taking food, and I think they're going to give me a nectar. I'm wondering if this miner... No, I shouldn't play the miner. They did not give me nectar. Okay. I think we play this hawk. And in view of the last end of round, I think we probably throw both food. Which is a bit spooky. We at least get one back off this hummingbird. Or it's like food, pipit. Can I get the... Can we do food pipit? Let's calculate this. I need to spend a nectar. So if I take food, I'm going to get 3 plus... I'm going to get 4 food. So we definitely got to play Blythe. Yeah, I think we can do that. I think we can play the pipit. Food, pipit, eggs. Yeah, I think we can do that. Take the seed, throw the miner. Unfortunate. Guess we take this. Yeah, we are just going to lose all of the nectars, I think. But, you know, we will... Okay. Pop monitor we can get 5 on. Ranger we cannot get any more on, so we'll take pop monitor. Common Swift. Oh, wow. Okay. Fair play. Ash-throated. Are you good enough? Yes, actually, you are good enough. Ash-throated gives us extra point off of Hot Monitor, so... I think we're playing Eleanor's Falcon. Just eggs twice, probably. Is there anything funny we can do? I mean, we can maybe snipe a Nectar Race, I'm not sure. Dude, I actually don't even want to take this. Take this. Yeah, okay. We can play Flycatcher and then Eleanor. And we may even draw cards on our last turn, in our spare turn, just to give us the potential to win that. Alright. That fixes the food problem. And if we can't win, we play for Winter Feeder, I guess. I have 8. We can go up to 8. So I think we abandon and just go winter feeder. So that's how many food can we get here? We can get 4, 5, 6. I'm gonna spend 2 of it. Maybe we can get some nectar here. Actually, maybe that's... yeah. Grab some nectar and see if we can snipe one of these. And it's just a very scary setup. I mean, only consolation prize is that none of these are really big birds, but gonna be a big egg total, and 3 bonus cards. Never know, and they're gonna win all the nectars. So it's tough. It's tough. Yeah. I think this is the smart play. Just no, they don't want to play a bird. They want to lay eggs or take take food for the swift. Maybe I should have taken 3 nectar just for the fake out. Make it feel like I'm gonna play a 3 nectar bird down here. Regardless, we've made the most of what we've had. We're gonna get an okay score, but not the kind of game winner. I think this is a better board. Again, the only solace is that these birds aren't worth very much. What's the bird total gonna be? 6, 9, 10, 17, 23, 30, 35, 39. It's not a great total. They've just laid eggs. Okay. That means we can steal one of these nectars. So that's ending up to be quite a good play for us. Alright. I don't think we did enough. But it was always going to be tough against a Franklin Skull. Yeah, and not quite enough. Yeah, not quite enough. Just didn't find the right birds at the right time. Oh well, on to game 2.